Okay, so what is our base concept, guys? SAP MM, also we can call it as P2P process or O2P process. So P2P stands for procure to pay or purchase to pay. O2P stands for order to pay. And in this P2P process or O2P process, we do some transactions. It means we create some transactional data. So if you want to create some transactional data, you must need master data. Okay, without master data, you cannot create transactional data. Again, what master data we have in our SAP MM? In our SAP MM, we have material master, vendor master, info record, source list, quota arrangement, service master, and bill of material. So these are all different material master, different master data we have in our MM concept. Okay, and if you want to create master data, you must need enterprise structure. Without enterprise structure, you cannot proceed. So what is the enterprise structure? What we have done? So if you want to see enterprise structure, let me show you. So part of enterprise structure, what we have learned till now, we have created company. Okay, it is the FI activity, and we have created company code, and we have created plants under company code, and we have created storage locations under plant, right? And also we have created purchasing group. Yesterday we have seen, right? And we have created purchasing organizations. Purchasing organizations very important. Okay, very important. So there are 3 types of purchase organizations we have. So that is very important. So today we'll see, we will create cost center and cost element. So what is cost center? If you want to create cost center, you must need to maintain controlling area. So why I said this controlling area? So I will show you today. Now you can check it. So anyone joined? Okay, so let me log into SAP. My system, it is very slow today. I was supposed to restart, but it is time now. Jagannath, you are supposed to join by 9 o'clock batch, right?
No, sir. I am 7 o'clock, sir.
Okay, so guys, who are all not enrolled, please don't log in from tomorrow. Okay, so this is last class. Okay, so
sir, daily is the same link. Join it. Sir, same link every day joining.
Yeah, same link only. But who are all not enrolled, please don't join the time telling.
Sir, how to practice it, sir?
You have to get the credentials. Okay, once you enroll, you will get recording files, support study material, what we are referring, and you will get.
Sir, I am already, sir, registered, sir.
Not registered. You have to done. You have to do first installment also. Okay, then we will create server access and the server installation. All these things we will give steps also. So you install it, you start practicing. So without
Sir,
practicing, if
I
you
have completed, sir, 40,000 I will pay.
Jagannath, that will be offline communication.
I already completed send my registration.
Jagannath, that is an offline communication, Jagannath. So please hold on a minute.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. So transaction code EC012 check enterprise structure, right? So enterprise structure, navigation, continue. So Control F, you can find what you have created, guys. What enterprise structure we have created? AB2, right? AB2. Guys, anyone remember what enterprise structure we have created?
AB1.
AB1, huh?
Yes.
Are you sure? Let me check.
Yes.
Yes, sir. AB1,
Yes,
AB1.
sir.
Okay. AB1. Okay.
Bajaj
So,
Electricals Limited.
yeah. So we have created company code Bajaj Electricals Limited. So it is assigned under company Bajaj group of companies. Okay. If we have some money, few more company codes, we can assign under group of companies, Bajaj group of companies. So under company code Bajaj Electricals Limited, we have defined plants: Bangalore plant, Hyderabad plant, Mumbai plant, and Chennai plant. So under each plant, we have defined storage locations also. Okay. So we have defined purchase organization, regular purchase organization, standard and reference. Okay. Regular purchase organization also we can call it as cross company code, cross plant level purchase organization, or company code level purchase organization. Standard purchase organization we can also call it as plant level purchase organization. Reference purchase organization also we can call it as cross plant level, cross company code level purchase organization, or we can call it as tell me, centralized purchase organization. So we are now maintaining the controlling area. So why do we need to maintain controlling area? That I will show you. Because if you want, so creating cost center and cost element, it is completely MM activity. Okay, but maintaining controlling area, it is completely CO consultant activity. CO will be there. Okay, create company code, it is complete FI activity, and maintain controlling area, it is completely CO consultant activity. But here we have to do, because if you want to create cost center and cost element, you must
What
maintain.
is CO, sir?
Which one?
What is CO, sir?
Controlling.
Controlling.
FI means finance. Okay, CO means controlling.
Okay, sir.
Okay, controlling consultant activity. So if you want to create cost center, it will ask enter the controlling area. So if you maintain controlling area, then you can proceed. So first you need to maintain controlling area to proceed further. So transaction code SPRO, SAP reference IMG, the navigation, then controlling, under controlling, general controlling, under general controlling, organization, under organization, we have maintain controlling area. So before that, we are into enterprise structure. So first you can define under enterprise structure, you can assign under enterprise structure, or here also we can do, but we will do normally under enterprise structure. Under enterprise structure definition. So here why I came here to show you why it is asking, why it is required to maintain controlling area. So if you want to create cost center, so under controlling, create cost center. Okay, master data, cost centers, then create cost centers. So system will ask enter controlling area. Okay, so system is asking controlling area. So this is the reason first we have to maintain controlling area, then only it is possible to come up with control cost center. So we will maintain, we will complete controlling area, then we will come back to cost center. So this is purely CO consultant activity. So under enterprise structure, okay, controlling, under controlling, maintain controlling area, maintain controlling area.
Continue.
Again, maintain controlling area. Okay, so here create new entries. So here don't enter anything. You will see so many options, but don't enter anything. Just click on CO area is equal to C company code. Okay, company code. Okay, so what is your controlling area? Okay, so you know company code, right? So what is your company code? Your company code is
AB1.
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 Okay, enter your company code. It is asking company code. So here enter company code. Now all the details it will be auto populated. So if you want to change name also, Bajaj controlling area. If you want, you can change also. So here you have one more mandatory field, controlling area, same as company code. So you want to maintain like that and you can save it. So here you have created controlling area. So now your controlling area, your company code, it is same as AB1. Okay. So if they ask a controlling area, if they ask a control company code, it is now AB1. Okay. Now once you define your activity will be assignment. So where do you do assignment? Under assignment. So under assignment, controlling, under controlling, you have option assign company code to controlling area. Assign company code to controlling area. So here, what is your company code? What is your controlling area? Your controlling area is AB1. Okay, AB1. So assign it. So select the record, click on assignment of company codes. Okay, new entries. So company code. So company code is AB1. If I speak company code, if I speak controlling area, it is same AB1. Okay, so assign it. Now, if you go back to check and you can see. Okay, so double click. So controlling area, it is assigned to company code. Okay, so controlling area AB1, Bajaj controlling area, it is assigned to Bajaj Electricals node company code. Okay, so now you have few more steps. So you need to activate some components and all. So there are other steps. Okay, so under controlling main node, we have under controlling, we have cost centers. Okay, no, not cost centers. General controlling, organization, under organization, maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. Under maintain controlling area, again maintain controlling area. So here you go to your controlling area once again, AB1. So select the record. You want to activate components. So here, why we are maintaining controlling area, we have to create cost center, right? So that components you have to activate it. Then only it will be executed. So activate components or control parameters. Again, click on new entries. So here financial year, let's say 2022, and cost centers. So cost centers you can activate for cost centers, and you can activate for order management. Components active for commodity management. So commodity management, it is nothing but commodity management. So you have to activate components for commodity management, activate components for order management, activate components for cost centers. So you have to activate. So save it. Okay, just come back one more step. And there is one more step. Once you activate components, you need to go back to details. Okay, so controlling area, go back to details, double click, or you have option details, any option you can choose. So here one more field, it is become activate. So just now you have activated components, right? So here it is activated cost center standard hierarchy. So this is one mandatory field, you have to provide the details, cost center standard hierarchy. So it is nothing but your company code. Let's say your company code is AB1. Just click on enter and save. So with this, you have to complete your controlling area. And there is one more requirement. So you need to maintain number ranges also. So number ranges means what? Why do we maintain number ranges? While creating a document, it will be a unique number. While creating any controlling document, so that document number will be populated. So that document number will be unique. So you have to maintain number range. So if I do, you will understand. So what is my controlling area? AB1. Click on groups. So here option create. You have to create controlling area number range group. That number range group you want to assign to your object. First you create it. Okay, so number range, let's say today's date. For example, I want to create today's date. And for example, if I say 1 to 1000, okay, so while saving the record, so any controlling document, that a document number will be defined from the number from 1 to 1000. So it will be first, it will create number range number 1, okay, controlling document number 1 2 3 4, like that it will be created. Okay, so how it will be created? It will be created by system, or you want to enter the document number. So it depends on external. Here one more flag we have, external. So if you select external flag true, it means externally you have to enter the number while saving the controlling document externally. If you leave this external flag false, false means external flag false means it is internal. So if it is internal, internally system only will allocate number from the given number range. The given number range is 1 to 1000. Okay, so system only will take number from the given number range and you will be free. So obviously we always select external flag false. It means it will be internal. So internally system will
Please
check
repeat. Sir, please repeat.
wait, I'm repeating, no problem. Okay, so here what happened, I just defined 1 to 1000. Wherever the number will be created for a controlling document, that document number under this controlling area AB0 AB1, so always the number document number will be 1 to 1000, the number range in between 1 to 1000. So how it will be 1 to 1000? It can be given by you externally, or system only will allocate it. That depends on external flag. So if the external flag is false, it means it is internal. So if it is internal, system only will get the number from the given number range. First it will create 1, next 2, next 3, like that it will allocate number from the given number range. Okay, so system only will take. If it is external flag false or true, true means externally you have to enter the number range. Okay, while entering, if you enter 1001, system will not allow. System will allow only within the number range. Within the range only system will allow. So you enter first time itself, you can enter 999 also. First time itself you can enter 900 also. But it should be within the number range. So you have to give you have to remember the number range, you have to enter. That is the reason we never take a headache, and we will give number range always it is internal. This number range concept, it is always we have. Okay, in so many area we will see. So we have to understand. So if anyone not understand, please let me know what is the number range. Okay, so number range, it will be internal. So internal, how it will be? If external flag is false, okay, so automatically number will be selecting from the number range. So what is this number range status? So for example, I started creating number ranges, and there are 10 numbers created. There are, for example, 10 numbers created. That 10 numbers, it will be showing here number range status. So how many numbers created? So that status, it will be updated here. So once you create number range, save it. Okay, so the changes were saved. Now this number range group you want to assign to your controlling object. So standard controlling object COIN. So place the cursor on that COIN, click on element group, click on element group. Okay, so select the number range group what you have created. Okay, place the cursor, click on continue, or you just double click also, it will be selected. So how do you check whether it is selected or not? So you go back to bottom line. Okay, go to bottom. So you can see those group, number range group and CO object, both are in same line. So it will be open like that. So save it. So changes was saved. So while creating a document, the number from 1 to 1000, because you already assigned. So this is the thing you have to take care while defining controlling, while maintaining controlling area. So with this we have completed maintain controlling area. Now we are good to create cost center. So how to create cost center? So create cost center under controlling node. Okay, under controlling main node, create cost center. So cost centers. Okay, under cost center accounting, master data, under master data, cost centers. Under cost centers, create cost centers. Create cost centers. Then again, create cost center. Double click. So here system is asking controlling area. Now we are ready with controlling area AB1, right? So we can give. Then cost center. So what is this cost center? So cost center, it can be 1 to 10 digit alphanumeric without any spaces. It can be 1 to 10 digit alphanumeric without spaces. So whatever you want, you can give. You can give your name also. But so how you want to remember very easily or user friendly. So if I want to give, I will maintain like this with the company with controlling area AB1 underscore CC cost center. Underscore CC cost center. If I give like this, I can identify very easily. Okay, so company code underscore CC cost center. So I can identify it is 1 to 10 digit. You can enter.
CC stand for cost center.
That abbreviation I have defined. Okay, you can give your name also. You can define 10 digit your Jagan. Okay, like that, Jagannath. You can enter. Okay, whatever you want, how you want to remember, you can give your own way. Okay, but how it should be, you will be able to identify it, what you have given. Okay, and valid from valid to automatically it is infinite. Okay, 99999, it is infinite. So valid from, let's say you activate it from today's date. Okay, today date is 10th of May 2022. Okay, you don't need to enter the full stops, so it will take automatically. Okay, so like that you can enter. One more thing, I will. Do you want to exit maintenance? Yes. So here, for example, if I want to create it from reference, okay, so if suppose I want to give reference 1000, so from 1000 it will be copied. So cost center already 1000 it is exist. So if I want to give, I can give it from reference. And controlling area also we have reference 1000. So you always take it from reference. You can enter now. Okay, so you gave reference. So these are the fields it is populated. Before that it was not populated without reference, right? So you enter the reference, so all the necessary information it is automatically populated. And here one more mandatory field we have to enter hierarchy area. Hierarchy area is nothing but your controlling area. So what is your controlling area? AB1. Okay, so here you have defined profit center. It is from 1000 copied, so you can remove it. So if you maintain, what will happen? For all the transactions, it will ask enter the profit center, enter the profit center. So every time you have to enter some other account, GL account. So if you remove, so it will be not asked and the work will be continued. So you just remove profit center. Okay, just click on enter. So there is some warning. So if it is warning or alert, just skip it. Click on enter from keyboard, it will skip. Okay, now if there is no error, then you can save it. So this is the way you can create cost center. You can create cost center, and this cost center you can assign to cost element. This cost center will be assigned to cost element. So how do you assign cost element? There are so many cost elements we have because we copied from 1000. So what is cost center? What is cost element? Yesterday I gave you definition, right? So that definitions and all you can go through in study material, guys. No problem. We have everything, the definitions, everything. You can go through it. So basically, what is cost center? It is like a department or it is like a unit. Okay, so it will be the accounting, profit loss account, all these things. It will be for GL account, all these things. It is posted to. It is everything. It is linked to our cost center. So there are different cost centers. So how we have created one cost center now, like that, there will be different cost centers. So every GL account or every cost element will be linked to any single cost center at least. Okay, so what is cost element? The cost element can be general ledger account. The cost element can be profit loss account. The cost element can be balance sheet account. So whatever it may be. Okay, so the every cost element will be linked to our cost center at least one. Okay, so how to create a cost element? Cost element, under cost element, master data, under master data, cost elements. Okay, under cost elements, create cost elements, then create primary cost element, double click. Then for example, if I have a cost element 1000, okay, because with 1000 also it is there, I copied from 1000 company code. Okay, so whatever you copied from 1000, all the cost elements, it is copied to your controlling area also, your company code also, so it is there. So for example, if I want to link my cost center to this cost element 1000, so how do I do it? So here it is not only 1000, there are so many cost elements we have. So all these cost elements, it will ask you to link, so that time you have to link it. So these are all actually you will get it from FI. Okay, for which cost element you want to map that, on that information you will get it from FI, finance. Okay, so that is the reason in junior level you may not get chance to work on cost element and cost centers. So in lead consultant or FI team leads and the managers, they will sit with FI and they will do it, but here you have to do it. Okay, so 1000, so I want to link it, so I want to link to my cost center. So my cost center, I can easily identify, right? My cost, my company code underscore CC. So that's it. So here cost element also created, create cost element has been created. So like that you can define cost element. So first you maintain controlling area, so then you can create cost and cost center. That cost center you will assign to cost element. So this is the way you maintain, you complete your enterprise structure. Okay, so do one thing, so don't panic if you are not able to create company code. You just follow my steps, how I created, you follow my steps and create company code. It is purely FI activity, and maintain controlling area, it is purely CO activity. So your activities are in enterprise structure creation, create plant storage location, purchase group, purchase organization. So in interview point of view, you need to focus on purchase organizations. Okay, and the cost center cost element also nobody will ask in any interviews, but you just have a practice. Okay, so any questions, anyone? Chandra, any questions? Jagan, any question?
Vamsi here.
Yeah, Rakesh, any questions? Vamshi?
Sir, Vamsi here. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Vamshi, tell me.
Sir, just now we are discussing regarding this numbering now, sir.
Number range concept.
So for this numbering, like we can define like purchase order different number, PR different number.
For each
Yeah,
and
okay.
every
Because of
document,
this,
for
okay.
each and every document, for material master, for vendor master, info record, for source list. Okay, no, not source list, for service master and bill of material, for all these we have number range. And for
we need to keep separately one by one.
Yes, Vamsi, what? Tell me.
Sir, we need to give separately for one by one numbering.
Yeah, for each and every document you have to define number range. So that is the concept you have to understand. Okay, so number range concept is for all the purchasing documents, for purchase requisition, for purchase order, RFQ, or for all the documents, the number range concept, it is common. So wherever you are, so number range concept, it is common, you have to learn it. Okay, so if you don't understand, please let me know now itself. Okay, I can explain once again, no problem. And any questions? And Venkatesh?
No.
Okay. Vamshi, okay. Vajjanath?
No, sir.
Shivu, any questions? Guys, I will share the recordings. So actually my drive is not working. Okay, I will try to share it now in front of you only. So session is going to end. Please log in back. I will share the recordings to one by one.